Okay, so this is what it looks like. We got a 2-inch hole saw. When you cut through the cabinet, just be very careful that you're not going to hit a refrigeration line or poke the evaporator coil with this long piece. Usually you put it up the top of the cabinet to hide it. Alright, there it is. In place. That's the flapper side. The green flapper side. And then the other piece comes through the cabinet. Let's see if I can flip you guys around. No, I'm not going to be able to flip it. So, but here's the other piece. So that's what it looks like. And now you can hear a little bit of vapor and the door can pull open again instead of being stuck for 30 to 40 seconds. So see? Hey, it actually worked. So anybody that's got a freezer that's annoying them stuck closed for 30 or 40 seconds, you can do that.